Hi, I'm Phil Huber, host of the Woodsmith Shop TV show, inviting you to join me at the first ever Woodsmith workshop this fall in Des Moines, Iowa. The workshop will take place Monday, September 30th and Tuesday, October 1st. The event is going to be held at Living History Farms, personally one of my favorite places in Iowa. It's an outdoor history museum that's jam-packed with a lot of historical buildings and a lot of woodworking that you'll want to take photos of, so bring your camera. The event is going to feature a number of breakout sessions. They're designed to be small sizes, so you have a lot of interaction with the presenters. In addition, you're also going to get a free swag bag loaded with tons of gifts. Meals are going to be provided farm to table by the Machine Shed restaurant, so you're going to go home filled and satisfied. Now, the guest speakers that we have for this event include George Vondriska from the Woodworkers Guild of America, James Hamilton from Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal, Anne Briggs, who you might know online as Anne of All Trades, and Matt Cremona. In addition, we'll also have presentations by the cast of the Woodsmith Shop. I'll be there, Logan Wittmer will be there, and Fitch will be presenting as well. We've made arrangements with some of the hotels and campgrounds in the area to give you special rates. Visit our website if you have any questions or for more information. But more importantly, you want to register today and join us this fall for the Woodsmith Workshop.